Hello students, today I Priya Rohira welcome you all once again in my next lecture of class 10th code 402, and my today's lecture is based on how can we link data and spreadsheets. What is the purpose of linking the spreadsheet? Linking spreadsheet data enables us to keep the information updates without editing in multiple locations every time the data changes. What does it mean? Suppose if I have linked the different worksheets, if I am making a changes in the source worksheet, the rest of the changes will automatically will be reflected in my destination worksheet. इट डज़ंट मीन दैट कि मैं अगर एक वर्कशीट में कोई चेंजेस कर रही हूँ तो मुझे मल्टीपल वर्कशीट में वो चेंजेस खुद से करने पड़े, ऑटोमेटिकली वो चेंजेस आपसे हो जाएंगे. नाउ हैव अ लुक ऑन माई नेक्स्ट शीट, दैट इज आई टुक have a look on my this sheet. Here I am going to explain you how can we create references or create the different worksheet but in the same workbook. My workbook is the same but I made two different worksheet here. So explain this topic, I took a marks details of PA1 and PA2 and few students name I took here. I want that the addition of PA1 and PA2 should be reflected here, as I have done already and I am doing for you it one more time. We can do it by two ways, either by using the keyboard or by using the mouse. First of all, I will explain you with the help of keyboard. For this, suppose I want to perform the sum, so I will do equal sum bracket. Then in the quotes you need to write the sheet name फ्रॉम वेयर यू वॉन्ट टू गेट द डेटा. आपको उस शीट का नेम लिखना है. मेक श्योर दैट आपकी शीट का नाम बिल्कुल सही होना चाहिए. हियर माई शीट नेम इज़ PA1 एंड 2. You can check my name here or you can copy or paste from here the sheet name. Then close the quotes and put the exclamation sign and now give the range. So I am going back my PA1. What is the sheet range? B6 to C6. The same I am going to give it here. Erase it, by mistake it has come. I had given B6 colon sign C6 and bracket close. Press the enter key. Some mistake maybe it's asking, so I need to check it once again. Yes, one extra quotes has been there. Now press enter key. So when you will drag it or make double click, you have seen that the addition of PA1 and PA2 is reflecting here. As I told you earlier कि अगर मैं PA1 या PA2 में चेंजेस करूँ तो वो चेंजेस मुझे यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली नज़र आने चाहिए. अब मैं माही का एग्जाम्पल ले रही हूँ. माही का टोटल आ रहा है 30. अब सपोज़ मैंने यहाँ पे इसमें कुछ चेंजेस कर दिए. मैंने यहाँ 15 की जगह मार्क्स कर दिया सपोज 12. तो क्या ये चेंजेस शो होंगी? हैव अ लुक. सो यू कैन सी दैट इन प्लेस ऑफ 30 नाउ इट शोइंग 27. सो इट सेव्स माई टाइम एंड देयर इज़ द लेस चांस ऑफ मिस्टेक. अगर मैं अपना वर्क डिफरेंट वर्कशीट्स में कर रही हूँ और मेरा सेम डेटा किसी न किसी तरह से लिंक्ड है, सो इट्स बेटर देन कि यू मेक द लिंकिंग बिटवीन शीट, जिसके थ्रू अगर आप कहीं पे भी कोई भी चेंजेस करें तो डेस्टिनेशन पे वो चेंजेस आपको खुद ही मिल जाएंगे. अभी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड. नाउ इफ़ यू डोंट नो द फॉर्मूला और आपको शीट रेंज देना या फॉर्मूला लिखना नहीं आ रहा है, you can take the help of mouse. It is easy than using the keyboard. I am erasing it once again. Now give the formula, put equal sign, sum, put the bracket, come back to your source sheet PA1 PA2 and press the enter key. You have seen that automatically your answer is there. Now do the double click or drag it. So the same way that I have done with the keyboard, again I have done with the mouse. So I think for the student, mouse using it's comparatively easy. But guys, you know that now this time we are having MCQ paper, so you should learn how can we give the formula if we are having connected sheets and or if you are working on the linked sheets. Thank you students. In my next lecture I will explain you how can we make the linking in different workbook.